Welcome to our short video which discusses the stages you need to complete in order to obtain your CSCS Green card. In order to obtain your CSCS Green card, you must complete the following 3 stages. Stage 1, pass a recognized Level 1 Health and Safety Awareness course. Stage 2, pass the CITB Health, Safety and Environment test. This is often referred to within the industry as the operator's or touch screen test. Stage 3, apply to CSCS for the Green Laborer card. You can undertake Stage 1 and Stage 2 in any order, but both must be successfully completed prior to applying for the CSCS Green Laborer card. There are a number of Level 1 Health and Safety Awareness courses that can be undertaken that meet the CSCS requirement for the Green Laborer card, such as, but not limited to, the CITB Site Safety Plus Health and Safety Awareness course, the Level 1 Health and Safety in a Construction Environment e-learning course with examination via ETA awards, and the IOSH Working Safely course. Generally suitable Level 1 courses can be completed in one day, although the e-learning Level 1 Health and Safety in a Construction Environment course can normally be completed in 2 to 4 hours. Delegates should however be aware that the e-learning course is not instructor-led and hence, may not be suitable for everybody. To complete Stage 2 for the CSCS Green Laborer card, you are required to pass the operator level of the CITB Health Safety and Environment test within the last 2 years. The exception to this is if you hold a SOLAS card, previously known as FAS SafePass, which acts as an exemption to the operative or specialist CITB Health and Safety test requirement, providing that it has been completed within 2 years of the application being made. Few individuals, however, will hold a SOLAS card unless they reside in Ireland, hence, the CITB Health, Safety and Environment test will invariably be the test you need to successfully complete. This test can be undertaken with a registered and approved Pearson VUE test center at a large number of locations throughout the United Kingdom. To make an application for your CSCS Green Laborer card, you will need to 1. Create an account on the CSCS website. 2. Obtain digital copies of your Level 1 Health and Safety course and the pass letter for the CITB Health Safety and Environment test, which contains your CITB testing ID. 3. Wait 24 hours from completing your CITB Health Safety and Environment test. 4. Pay the required CSCS fee. Alternatively, you could purchase the Gold Cross Green Card package direct from our website. This not only covers all course and test costs, but also provides for all of the administration requirements, ensuring that the CSCS Green Card is delivered directly through your letterbox, allowing you to concentrate on passing your Level 1 Health and Safety course and the CITB Health Safety and Environment test. Gold Cross Training are an approved CITB and Pearson VUE accredited test center. We can provide a range of options to facilitate you obtaining your CSCS Green Laborer card. From providing a suitable Level 1 Health and Safety course to completing the CITB Health, Safety and Environment test, or both, we have you covered. We can even shoulder all of the administration if you wish via the previously discussed Green Card package. Why not visit our website or simply give us a call to discuss your requirements and see how we can help you on your journey. We hope you found this presentation both informative and useful. Thank you for taking the time to watch and engage with our content. Your commitment to safety is what drives us to deliver the highest quality training and resources. If you found this presentation helpful, please don't forget to like and share it with your colleagues and network. Together, we can continue to build safer, more productive workplaces. Thank you again, and stay safe.